Hi everyone! How are you guys doing? Today we are going to make double chocolate chip cookies. These cookies are so good and so much fun to make because we're gonna put several toppings that you may like, and these are really good for gift giving, potluck, or any special occasions. So let's do it! Let's get started. Here are the ingredients that we are going to use for these delicious double chocolate chip cookies. These are easy to make and the cookies are chewy and flavorful. Such a treat, especially when you're craving for chocolate. For this recipe, we're not going to use a mixer. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees, line the baking sheet with parchment paper. Using a sifter or fine strainer, pour the flour, cocoa powder, baking soda, and baking powder into a bowl. For larger clumps, press them with the back of a spoon and mix well to combine. Heat a pan on low heat, melt the butter. You may use a microwave to melt the butter. Now transfer onto a large bowl. Next, let's add the brown sugar and the white sugar and the vanilla extract. Plus salt. I'm using kosher salt and I want it to fully dissolve into the mix. Mix well. Now let's add 1 egg and 1 yolk. Beat using a spatula or a wire whisk until smooth, about 2 to 3 minutes. We are looking for a ribbony texture, just like this. Now let's add a flour mixture. Mix gently to combine about 1 minute. Now let's add the chocolate chips and walnuts. Mix just until incorporated and no traces of dry flour. Now this dough is ready. Now let's zest. This is honey mandarin from our tree. And these are the additional toppings that we are going to add to these cookies to make it more fun, and we'll also add a variety of texture and additional flavor. Now the fun part, I'm using a 3 tablespoon ice cream scooper, so these cookies will be large. Space them about 2 inches apart. Using a hard cookie cutter, flatten the dough into the cookie cutter with the palm of your hand. Using your hand or the back of the spoon, shape the dough into a heart. Make this heart shape more elaborate so it will shape beautifully after baking. If you don't do this, the cookie will look like a triangle shape, not a heart shape. I found this when I was testing the cookies. Let's add some cranberries and also some orange zest. Now for this one, let's add orange zest inside the dough. And then roll the dough into a ball to make it look prettier and rounder. You may add more toppings of your choice. I'm adding walnuts to make it look prettier and also tastier, of course. It's all up to you. Now let's make another heart-shaped cookie. We have some leftover chocolates. I'll show you how I'm going to use them here. For this one, I'll put it inside one of the cookies. So there will be a surprise chocolate inside. Now this is going to be a triple chocolate cookie, not double. Another option is an Oreo or a peanut butter cup. Just thinking about this makes me feel like I'm a hungry cookie monster. These are ready to bake. I am so excited for these cookies. For baking time, everyone's oven is a little different, so it will also depend on how you like your cookies. Experiment to see how you like yours. 9 minutes is perfect for our oven. Yay! These cookies are done! They smell so good! They are still soft, so give them a few minutes. Yay! Transfer them very carefully onto a wire rack to cool completely using your hands or a spatula. These cookies are so beautiful, gorgeous. I can't wait anymore. I have to eat this now. The best part of the day is, of course, the taste test. These cookies have been resting for about 10 minutes, so they look really good. The back. It's gorgeous, perfectly cooked. 9 minutes, 350 degrees. And look at this one. It's a heart within a heart. Heart to heart. You can call it heart to heart cookies. I'm going to put them in here, a beautiful plate. I have two heart shape. And one has a special chocolate inside, so that's going to be like a surprise chocolate. So, let's check it out. This is really good. The orange zest, it gave this a wonderful, different, fresh flavor. You know, when you combine orange and chocolate, wow, it's amazing. The walnuts give it a lot of crunch. And we have the cranberries, of course, the dried cranberries. A whole dimension of flavor. Also, earlier I made some coarse salt. They are really good. You know, salty and sweet. It's amazing. Wow, the outside is crispy and the inside is soft. 350 degrees for 9 minutes. Amazing. And I have this This will make some medium-sized cookies. I have 13 here. And I'm gonna share them with my friends at church or my neighbors or my family. You can leave them in the refrigerator for about 2 days or in the freezer. You put them in the freezer, you thaw them out before you bake, and you can bake them for 9 to 10 minutes. They're beautiful and they are amazing. For Valentine's Day, you can make the heart-shaped ones, heart to heart. That's it for today. And you guys, take care. God bless you. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next video. Check this out. Take care and God bless. Bye now.